So guys, today we are going to study elements of poetry. Let's begin with the definition of elements. Elements of poetry is a set of instruments used to create a poem. The usage of many of these elements began thousands of years ago. Writers have shown that our ancestors used many of these elements within their ancient oral story or poem. They help bring imagery and emotion to poetry, stories, and dramas. Most important elements of poetry are rhythm, meter, stanza, rhyme, theme, symbol, and imagery. So let's begin with rhythm. Rhythm is the flow of words within each meter and stanza. Rhythm examples are iambic pentameter. Example of usage in poem is Shakespeare's sonnet 116. Number second element of poetry is meter. This is the basic structural makeup of the poem. Do the syllables meter with each other? Every line in the poem must adhere to this structure. A poem is made up of blocks of lines which convey a single strand of thoughts. Within those blocks, a structure of syllables will follow. The rhythm has to be included. This is the meter or the metrical form of poetry. And number third element of poetry is stanza. Stanza in poetry is defined as similar unit or group of lines in a poem. A particular stanza has a specific meter, rhyme scheme, and based on the number of lines. Number fourth element of poetry is rhyme. Rhyme is the repetition of sounds within different words, either end sounds, middle, or beginning. Rhyme examples are loose, goose. These words rhyme with each other. These are called known as rhyme. Number fifth is theme. Theme is the message or the point of view and idea of the poem is known as the theme. Number sixth element of poetry is symbol. Something that represents something else through association, resemblance, or conventions, that is known as symbol. Number seventh and last element of poem or poetry is known as imagery. Imagery is also one of the important elements of a poem. This device is used by the poet for readers to create an image in their imagination. Imagery appeals to all five senses. For example, when the poet describes the flower is bright red, an image of a red flower is immediately created in the reader's mind.